8 things that really make Mexico amazing in 2022. Number 5. Economy in Mexico. There are 3 economic superpowers in the American continent: the USA, Brazil, and Mexico. Industry comprises 33% of the Mexican economy, with electronics and auto manufacturing being the strongest. Although never spoken and usually hidden from the mainstream, the second largest producer of wealth in Mexico is crime, particularly drug and people trafficking, with estimates between 15 and 30% of the GNP. The Mexican government denies these figures, but most serious Mexican economists agree. Tourism comes a hard third with around 15%. Mexico has the 15th largest GDP in the world with an estimated annual income of $4.5 trillion. Among the OECD countries, Mexico has the second highest degree of economic disparity between the extremely poor and extremely rich. If you enjoyed this YouTube short, click that subscribe button and check out the full video right here on Company Insight.